Hello mga mi amor, welcome back to my channel. It's me again, Tin Amor, and for today's vlog, nandito kami sa Expo City, Dubai para sa Sheeran's event. So as you can see, marami na pong taong dumadating. Sa ngayon, papunta na ako sa arrival area kung saan magsisimula ang run. So samahan niyo ako, and bago tayo magsimula, please huwag niyo kalimutang mag-like, comment, share, and subscribe. Let's go! So right now, papunta na ako sa Astro, and ayan, ang dami talagang tao. Puro lang babae yung tatakbo. And look, nakikita ka natin yung Dubai 30-30. That's the Dubai 30-30 Challenge, their whole November event. So ilalagay ko na lang muna yung aking bib para ready na tayo pagdating sa starting point. Ayan, yan, tara, let's go guys. So ayan mga mi amor, habang naglalakad kami ay nagkikita kami ng isa sa kasamahan namin sa grupo. So ayan, helloan!
Bakit? 5 lang yan.
Dito pala banda mga mi amor, ang dami ng boats. May mga photo boats, face painting boats, and meron din sila mga fitness station, and syempre hindi mawawala yung mga curry sweets, diba? And pero bago magsimula ang lahat, warm up muna tayo and para ready na sa run. Ayan, makikita nyo din mga mi amor yung wall of names kung saan nakalagay ang lahat ng pangalan ng mga sumasali. So isa rin kami ni Kim dyan, and ayan, hanapin natin maya maya ang ating pangalan. So habang marami pang taong nag-check, sayaw-sayaw muna tayo dito sa gilid. Kasi sino ba namang hindi mapapasayaw sa mga music nila, diba? Nakaka-jolly talaga. Enjoy lang ako sa weather and sa environment. Sobrang dami ng tao and everyone is cooperating. Super fun and perfect talaga for their run. So ayan, enjoy muna tayo and let's do some warm up. So yeah. So ayan mga mi amor, hahanapin na natin ang ating pangalan. Ayan, nakita ko na, and agad, and diba ang bilis. Pero bago tayo umalis dito, syempre mag-picture muna tayo kasi this is a Guinness World Record event sa female category run. Ang saya, and this is really a once in a lifetime opportunity. So tara guys, capture the moment. So dito pala banda mga mi amor, makikita nyo yung face painting. Since yung mga kagrupo namin ay nakiki-face painting na, makikisali na rin ako kasi tinawag nila ako eh. So ayan, wait na lang tayo sa turn natin and sayaw-sayaw muna tayo bago tayo mag-face painting para ready tayo. Ayan, 'di ba? Para hindi tayo bored while waiting. And the run is about to start mga mi amor. So I'll be running 5 kilometers. So ayan, samahan niyo ako mga mi amor. Let's do this together. Ayan, hindi pa tayo makaano kasi palabas pa lang tayo sa starting point. And see you mamaya sa finishing line. Ayan, antayin niyo kami. And tara na! It's time to takbo! For those who don't know, Sheeran's is a running event that celebrates strong women and promotes fitness and health. It's for everyone who wants to join, have fun, and challenge themselves while running together. So today, we're here to be part of that energy and enjoy the run. I'm almost at the finishing line. And finally, I'm here at the finishing line. I made it, and now I'm ready to grab my medal. So thank you so much, Sharons, for this amazing opportunity. And I can see someone's waiting for me. It's Kim. So ayan, yes, we made it. Congrats to us.
I got a 1 week pass, mga memoir, so watch out.
Look at that.
1 week pass, yay!
And we are now on the way to the exit. Papunta na kami dun sa metro station. Ayan, ito yung madadaanan namin before the metro station. So, we're still inside the compound sa Expo City, Dubai. So, ito yung exhibition center nila. So, yeah. The metro is right there. Malapit na lang. So, here is, makikita nyo yung madaming flag. It's different country. So, lot all over the world. So yan. And finally, we're here inside the metro station. So ready na kaming umuwi at magpahinga after. Let's see what's gonna happen next. So thank you so much mga mi amor for watching, and that's all for today's video. I hope you guys enjoy our run today. Thank you, and please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.